Well, hello YouTube and TikTok channels. It's Belmont here. And we're going to do a short and sweet on this week's video. Now having consulted with Dave Cox of Cox's Picks and the blundering of YouTube to its content creators and making sure that, one, a comment got either deleted or never properly posted. So I'm blaming the drop-in communication on YouTube, not my fellow locksmith, Dave Cox. So what we got here is part of my order from Craze. A nice 2X locksmith shirt, which I wore with pride today for my physical therapy appointment. Nice to show it off. I was also carrying some pics with me. I was going to put on a little demonstration today, but, busy lobby. And I don't want to do just a warm-up for a large audience, at least not in public. Okay. So we got the Craze pinning mat here, $10. The t-shirt, $12. So Dave, if you're watching, I want you to give me your best information that you would know about these antique jailer lock keys. Now, the metal, which I spent about 2.5 hours cleaning up all the grime off the keys and these locks, and my conclusion is that the metal is brass. And I've polished some tarnished brass in my day before, so if I have to, that's what I will do. But get up close and personal. Key number 1, key number 2, key number 3, key number 4, key number 5. So these are pretty good size looking keys. Here's the key ring. And they were also made in India along with the locks. And Dave did identify these. These are 2 levers on the locks. They have nothing more than 2 levers in them, and the picking method is the 2-wire method. Unfortunately, I don't have the lever pick wires, so if anyone cares to mention anything in the comments about where I could get those items, or even to make them myself, please let me know in the comments. So here's the 2-inch one, and there's its corresponding key. Here's the box for it. Links, of course, will be in the description below. And again, I want to thank Craze for having my order shipped and ready on Wednesday when it arrived in the mail. So thanks, Craze. You guys are doing solid. Here's the large. I didn't want to just get one single lock because, they're new lock. I am kind of interested in learning more and find out what I can, so I got all of them. And this is going to be done on, well, the pinning mat today. So just quick and dirty. And they're not so dirty anymore, since I did spend a hell of a bit of time cleaning them. Okay, so it's going to do it for this weekend and this week. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Love to get positive input. And thanks again to Dave Cox of Coxie Picks for his support and the information passed my way from the comment on his latest video. I do appreciate that. So, as always, this is Belmont saying, stick around.